friends. Today, we will plunge into the challenging world of heavy transport machines. Get ready for dramatic and breathtaking moments. This will be a journey not to be missed. Don't blink, because every moment brings exciting surprises. Let's get started now. Oh, imagine yourself standing right there, witnessing that dramatic fall. The car thought it was a hero, but the tree spoke differently. Witnessing the collapse of a giant crane seemed invincible, but just one weak link in the cable was enough to cause everything to collapse. Sad to see a $3 million yacht slip away like that. What a bad day. This is exactly why we need quick-witted and brave farmers to save our machines like true heroes. Wow! Agricultural machinery on the boat is truly an exciting new level. It was a decision to defy gravity, as if it were a stunt. If you are a fan of machines, please like and pay attention. Hans Stumberg AS will wow you with the perfect combination of UTV 300 and Volvo L70F in snow removal work. Oh, do you think this driver can do it professionally? He really paid attention to the height of the car. Did you see the tank rolling over the car as if it were made of paper? It's so exciting, like watching a giant child play with toys. It's both funny and hard to take your eyes off those trucks. How wonderful! Snowstorms seem like a minor inconvenience when you have over 2,000 horsepower at your disposal. Norway just took winter combat to the next level. This excavator has its movements that made me almost squat in my seat, like I was watching a machine dancing on the river. Looks like this isn't the best place to park a truck. In just a second, the car fell faster than my jaw, then immediately jumped up. All I could say was, "Let's get out of here." Oh my God! The Soviet Det-250 heavy bulldozer was trying to cross a bridge over a mountain river, but with a weight of 40 tons and huge size, the operator was so scared that he had to leave the cabin. This small bridge certainly cannot bear that weight. Let's watch the powerful tug war between the Land Cruiser and the truck. Who will win this tug battle? With the limits of the bridge, the driver of the Tadano certainly needs to hone his skills to safely load this heavy beast onto the truck, making everything more secure. The sight is breathtaking. That slope is brutal, but these moments make you admire the epic driving skills. To put it bluntly, nothing beats the camaraderie of a forklift. That little guy used to get stuck, but now he's back on his feet. This is the next level. Watching Jake pilot the Bobcat without a ram is like watching a professional athlete at work. It's unbelievable that with just one touch, the machine can knock down a giant tower. Dragging the excavator through the mud, tense every second, not knowing if it would escape. Pay attention, Materero is crossing the Mamarana Bridge, a dangerous suspension bridge. I don't know if it is strong enough to cross. Collapse. What happened? $20,000 right now. Seriously, the Mega MS-34 is redefining the limits in dirt-moving work, which is truly an absolute wonder. That scene was so intense. The driver crossed the shaking bridge as if he was participating in the reality show Survivor. The team tried their best to pull the excavator stuck in the mud. Everything was muddy and slippery. Everyone was tired, but they couldn't give up. The tow truck tried its best. The engine roared as if it wanted to break everything, but the excavator still stubbornly refused to budge. Feeling exhausted and disappointed, but there is no other way but to persevere. Oh no. It seemed like the crane's sling had worn off as the load shifted. Luckily, no one was injured. Who thought stacking boxes like that was a good idea? This is the perfect lesson on how not to load a truck. Go on an intense expedition as you watch a KAMAZ flip on a snowy winter road. Drivers risk their lives transporting goods through dangerous areas. Luckily, there were no casualties, but this was a real test for these heroes. I couldn't believe what I just witnessed as the crane lost its grip and the whole house started to collapse like a scene from a movie. You can't leave your friends behind. When lifting any heavy load, make sure you are lifting it within the crane's rated maximum lifting capacity and avoid mistakes like this. A symbol that had existed for 100 years was destroyed in less than 15 minutes. It was truly unbelievable. This scene was like a punch in the eye when the machinery operated incredibly powerfully. Luck left this car at the last minute. The swift current of water cannot stop the progress of this machine. These drivers are truly masters. No one can deny their skill. Seeing how they maneuver through tight turns really makes you marvel at the amazing control these machines have. A funny situation happened to the car that was chasing. Look at the cars rushing by in wheelies on Jones Farm in northern Ohio. What an exciting and unforgettable sight.
The Caterpillar D8R is a powerhouse of incredible power and capability. With a powerful engine, modern wheels and steering system, the D8R can easily bulldoze and push dirt and rocks on challenging mountainous terrain. With impressive speed and performance, this machine makes heavy work easier and increases productivity in the construction and mining industries. The D8R bulldozer demonstrates the magic and power of technology.